Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today I gotta make a video about the truth about ICP, right? Because you have to understand, right? The price today is $7.7. The all-time high was around $20 now. Everybody, like not everybody, but there's a lot of people in my videos that be telling me ICP is trash, bro. It's a coin that's not gonna grow, and I just laugh it off because I'm realizing these people are people that don't read. They don't do research on what tech means. They don't know what IT is actually here for. They don't know how IT and computers are actually used. And that's okay. But these are people that are not really deep research into coins and cryptocurrency. Everything they do and invest in, they are strictly investing in it just for the gains only. But they don't really care about the tech, and that's probably like 85% of the investors. But with me, it's like I know ICP is a coin. Now, regardless of how trash you say it is, right? ICP is a coin that can make businesses a lot more efficient. Now, how can you possibly say ICP is trash when you go on the website and this is the first thing you see? Compute reinvented. The internet computer enables you to build anything without traditional IT and big tech. It hosts decentralized serverless computes that's simpler, immune to cyber attack, unstoppable and controllable by DAOs. Create web-free social networks and media, socialify games, multi-chain dApps, AI or enterprise apps. Do you know how much things ICP does? Just look at this. Look at this. This is the team. The team's over damn near 200 members. Okay, just look at it. How dare you call this trash? Now I have a comment that one ex IT software engineer actually sent, right, and he explains it very beautifully here. So we're gonna really break down why ICP is very far from trash. Now this dude says, I work in tech as a software engineer and can see how clunky our use of centralized cloud is. So many security vulnerabilities, moving parts which require specialist skills and technical depth to keep on top of rather than the devs building the business logic. I'm seeing how ICP can allow the company I work for to cut 20 to 50% of technical staff we have. So I think once a few mainstream institutions adopt this tech due to the game theory, others will need to look onto this just to remain competitive. That's right. He says others will need to look onto this just to remain competitive, because once this tech is actually adopted, I said in my previous video, one thing you have to understand about getting rich and being successful is the best way to get rich and be successful on a big level is to find a problem and find a solution and make that solution more efficient than what it was originally. That is what ICP does. Bro, a lot of the costs that these online businesses have right now, such as Amazon, just with the use of ICP's technology, it will cut 50% of the cost. It will cut 20% of the cost minimum. Guys, they are involving AI, socialify games, multi-chain dApps, media, networks, Web3, all in one coin. Come on, man. How can you ever just be on my video and comment ICP is trash? Listen, make AI immune to cyber attacks. This is what we're doing over here on ICP as ICP holders. Real world use cases, experience full stack decentralization from DAOs and crypto cloud services to games, NFTs and social media. The internet computer has something for everyone. You see what I mean? It includes a big margin of an untapped market. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, we could even take a look at the roadmap over here, and we can understand that this is a coin that ain't going nowhere, and you could keep calling it trash, but when it's sitting at $500, don't be in the comments saying, bro, will ICP dip? Will ICP dip? Let's look at the roadmap for a second. Roadmap. Explore the ICP roadmap, focusing on contributions by the Divinity Foundation. The roadmap is split into 9 themes, each highlighting upcoming milestones, features that are further into the future and not yet scoped in detail, as well past achievements. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, you have due date of tokamak. Let's look into what this is, right? Tokamak, a quick based implementation of transport and P2P layer for consensus that cuts down latency and increases throughput. Okay, synchronous message submission endpoint, providing a synchronous ingress submission endpoint. I don't know I'm not even gonna read that because that's too techy for me. What I'm saying is, guys, they are actually updating their information and updating their website and updating their roadmap all the time, and actually updating their technology, because ICP is a technology that it will never be on a standstill. It will continue to actually have things building on it to improve the tech itself. Now, ICP without improvement is still beautiful because it's still more efficient than any computer out there, computing power out there right now being used in the real world. So even ICP without any upgrades and without them achieving anything else, it will still be beating 99% of the competition in its market, in its sector. So at the end of the day, when you look at the price point of ICP and you're telling me that it's trash, and I know why you're saying it's trash, it's because you see this. This is why they say it's trash, because they see this. But this was an unfair launch and it was highly manipulated. This is the reason why this price went from 400 all the way down to what we see today, 7.75. But I understand it could be a very tough climb to back to $428, but I'm not worried about that because I'm focused more on long term. And once enterprises and actual corporations start to invest their money into ICP and actually partner with ICP, then guess what? We look at the market cap there of it being 50 billion. A lot of these companies that are about to partner with ICP and use ICP's technology, they're worth 50 billion in one of them. Like, that, half their network is worth over 50 billion. So I'm not worried about, is it going to reach 50 billion in market cap? I understand it will. I understand it's going to be very simple, but it's just going to take a lot of patience. And that's the reason why I'll be dollar cost averaging and buying ICP for a very long time. I'll also be staking some on the side, so that over the long term I can benefit off the ROI just of growth of ICP. Because this is more of a play that I can say, you know what, if crypto is alive in 100 years, so will ICP be. Repeat, if crypto is alive in 100 years, so will ICP. Like, when you have a team like this where you have software engineers and countless IT specialists and stuff like that, senior program managers, like, bro, these are all people that have skills in their respected fortes, okay? They have skills in their respected sector. At the end of the day, we cannot ignore what ICP is going to do. Employee publications, 1.6k, 1,600 employees, okay? Publications, shall I say. So that's huge. Like, this is a company that is going to be profitable, and I know that. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, that was the truth about ICP. I don't think it's trash. I think it's a great token. So if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, join the Patreon, link in the description. Over there, you'll be invited to a group chat where we talk about crypto 24/7. With that being said, it was Young Wealth, and I'm signing out. Peace.